Well, hello there, good people. Jason here with Green Country Agroforestry. Oh, wait, pardon me a second. Yeah, there's not much food in this, but here's what I'm going to do. We have a little kitty over here who's in the neighborhood. She was sitting on top of my truck just a minute ago. I'm going to leave this out for our visiting kitty cat. Oh, look at this. Buddy. Well, there's a little bit of something for her to nosh on. Hi. Hello, little angel kitty. Come on in and get a little nosh in. I know. It's not breakfast time, but you look like you might need a quick nibble before it starts raining. Oh, it is already starting. Looky there. Look at that. Up there on the wire, can you see the beak? Yeah. Oh, wet birdies. Alright, I gotta get inside. It's starting to rain on us. Oi! Okie dokie dokie dokie. I think the rain stopped. The rain stopped, kitty kitty. Hey kitty, the rain stopped. The rain stopped. You want some lunch or something? Oh yeah. You see, we got food and it's no good. Kitty kitty. Meow. So if our little kitty friend shows up, I've got a little something for him. Bronze muscadine grape. There we go. This one's looking pretty bronze. This is the Tara bronze muscadine grape. Tara. And they're about 15% sugar. It does have seeds, but 15% sugar. I think it's a really nice grape. And of course, according to the Dionysians, you must drink the blood and chew the flesh. in order to receive the gift of life. And I think this is interesting because whenever you chew the skins, I know it's gross, right? When you chew the skin, it releases the antioxidants, the flavonoids, which is interesting. I don't know if you have that many in bronze muscadines, but it was true of the grapes that they're growing in the Mediterranean. Hi, kitty, kitty, meow. Hello, hello, Mrs. Kitty. Is you a Mrs. Kitty or is you Mr. Kitty? Look at what I got. Looky, kitty, kitty. You want some foods? Yeah, well, come here. Gonna do previous attempts at getting a feeding in were unsuccessful due to inclement weather. Okay, kitty, kitty, meow. There you go. Look, you just go over there. You just go over there and you eat, okay? You just go eat. Go eat. You know you want to. Don't be a stick in the mud. Meow. Hi, kitty, kitty. I put food out for you. It's right over there. Go eat it. While you're going to do that, I'm going to walk over here. I'm going to see how these guys fared. Oh, these crazy little critters right here. This is a Syrian rue. It's good for the treatment of intestinal parasites. And the little tiny caterpillars on it, you got little tiny ones in the back there, and you've got these really, really big ones right here. And these are called swallowtail caterpillars. That's a different morph, different variety than we've been getting. Previously, we had black swallowtail caterpillars, black swallowtail butterflies. This one is a tiger, but it's I think it's more like a spice bush. And it's not exactly like a normal spice bush, so I don't know exactly how they're going to look whenever they come out. But I want you to look at this. I'm going to go, hi, boop. He doesn't respond when I booped him. Boop. 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 Ah, there you go. Little tiny red antenna on these guys. See? Oh, look at that. Red antenna. Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? You're not feeling okay? I'm petting a caterpillar, yes. Alright, so so these guys, like, they put out these red antenna, nice big ones. Look how red they are. Wow, what a display. What a display. Anyway, so there's a... I'll stop harassing the wildlife now. See, they come in little tiny ones, yeah? And they're great big ones. Alrighty, kitty. Oh, what you doing? Hey, sweetie. Alright, so this particular one is one that the local ASPCA trapped, and they've clearly either spayed or neutered. I'm not even sure whether this is a boy or girl. Spayed or neutered them, and then they clip the corner of the ear. You see how the ear's clipped? That's an indication that that's what they did. So this one, because it was trapped. Little angel there. Oh, angel kitty. Hey, sweetie pie. Yeah, well, since this kitty was handled that way, he or she doesn't really trust people at all very much. So, yeah, you'll see. Sorry, very, very trap shy. Well, all right, good people. I'm gonna head back in and dry my socks off. As always, I hope you found today's video informative or entertaining, and if you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Until then, get out there and get growing.